yeah, this is it. So he had to order this as well. So this is another purchase we got for the Cutlass. As y'all can see, it's the metal pieces that go around the T-top.
Forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block like for so long that I feel boxed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Before we get started, need y'all do me a favor, y'all know the routine. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Now, once y'all finish doing all that, y'all can watch this video all the way to the end, or y'all can pause it and go to Instagram. Follow my Instagram, it's at 01Deuce. It should pop up on the screen as well. Give me the 2,000 followers on Instagram, 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And let's keep grinding this out together. Now, y'all read the title, y'all know what y'all here for. It's an update on the Cutlass. Now, at the day I'm recording this, today is January 3rd. So I just went and seen the Cutlass and talked to the dude that's working on it. He poured it into his bay and he's gonna start on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy, I'm excited, you know, because my car's almost done to where it can come back to me and I can finish doing what I need to do with it. Now, if y'all didn't see the last video, make sure y'all go check out the last video. I showed y'all everything I have for the Cutlass. So once we get that car back, we finna be working a lot, and it's cold. I hate the cold, but I gotta try and get as much done by summertime as I can, you know? So we got a lot to install, so make sure y'all go check out that last video. Now, if y'all are new to my channel and y'all wanna know what all I've done to my cars, click on my channel right now, go to the playlist on my channel, and it's a playlist on my channel called Car Content. Watch that from beginning to end. Y'all will see how far I've came with my box Chevy and my Cutlass, and a few customizations and stuff I've done to my Charger. But y'all see everything I've done, everything I've taught myself, just a lot with these cars. And so y'all just watch that from beginning to end. It's probably a little bit over than 200 videos, if not, it's close to 200 videos on that playlist. So y'all just go and watch that, and y'all be caught up, you feel me, once y'all watch it all the way through. And so, like I said, this video is just gonna be an update on the Cutlass. I'm gonna be telling y'all what he told me, and yeah, like I said, just telling y'all what's going on with the Cutlass and what's our time frame, how long it's gonna be gone, when we should be getting it back, when should we be expecting it back, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, once we get into the video, I'm gonna be showing y'all. I only got one picture, and I regret not recording. I should have took my phone in there and recorded a little bit more, but I only got one picture, you feel me? And like I said, I went to his shop and I seen the car. He got a lot of stuff already taken apart, like all the carpet is ripped out of the car, the seats out of the car. So he's finna get ready to start welding in some floor pans. But like I said, it's a little bit more to it now that he ripped out the carpet and I got to see the floors without the carpet in there, you know. I kind of lost my train of thought. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be telling y'all what's going on. This shouldn't be too long of a video. I'm gonna try not to make it too long, but yeah, it's just an update on the car and telling y'all what's gonna happen to the car and what's gonna happen with the car and what's gonna come, you know, and the time frame of what we're looking at until we get the car back. So yeah, I need to get this picture open on my phone so I'm ready to show it to y'all. But other than that, man, it's just an update on the Cutlass, you know. Like I said, I've been waiting on my car for a while. It's been gone for a little bit over a month, but it's finally getting worked on, so can't complain. I'm happy and I'm finna have my car back. So yeah, ooh, my bad, almost knocked y'all out. But yeah, like I said, give me 1 second. I'm finna put y'all up and I'm finna talk to y'all and give y'all an update on the car and see. And like I said, I'm just tell y'all what's going on with the car, and we're gonna see how long it is until we get the car back. So yeah, give me 1 second, get y'all set up, and we're finna get into this video. All right, y'all, so to start off with the update on the car, it's gonna be a couple more weeks before I get that car back. Now, one reason is because when he ripped up the carpet, he called us over there and he told us it was a little bit more than what we thought. Now, the car's a little bit rougher than what I thought, but honestly, telling y'all the truth, I did not care. It's more so as, I don't know the right word to say, but that car was my dad's car, and he had that car before I was born. That car specifically, My dad and my mom drove that car a lot. Now my parents not together as of to this day, you know what I'm saying? They ain't been together for a while. But when they were together before I was born, and I'm my mom's first child, so before I was born, while they was together, they would drive that car everywhere. They even took like a 3.5 hour road trip together in that car without the tops on. Like, this is a funny story. I want to tell y'all this. So y'all might not laugh, y'all might laugh, but I want to tell y'all this anyways. It was one time, like I said, before I was born, they was taking a 3.5 hour road trip in their Cutlass, and they ended up taking the tops off at home and leaving them at home. Now on their way back from that road trip, they went shopping and out to dinner and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying, went out to eat. On their way back, and like I told you, they don't have the tops, it started pouring down raining. So while it was raining, they didn't have no tops, so they got soaking wet in their car just because they left the tops at home. Now that's just one little story, you feel me? I can tell y'all a couple more, I can tell y'all many more. It's just, that car has been with my dad since before I was born, and he had it since before him and my mom was in a relationship, and they ended up driving it together. My mom would take it to school and stuff, you know what I'm saying, and my dad would drive it around town, going on trips. My mom would take it on trips, you feel me? It's little stuff like that. So that car, it's more personal, I should say. So I couldn't find myself to ever sell it, get rid of it, junk it, none of that. So I really don't care if y'all say that car's junk, whatever. It don't matter. I'm bringing it back. I'm going to change it up a little bit, but it's still going to be that same body shell, same motor that they drove on, that they made memories in. You know what I'm saying? That car is personal. So I couldn't find myself to get rid of that car. Now, a lot of y'all might say that's a junk car, get rid of it, all that type of stuff. For one, it's an old school car. Old school cars not gonna be perfect. You're gonna have to put money into it, and that's just what I'm gonna have to do. That's what I'm doing now. So put money into it, and like I told y'all, it's personal. It's a memory, you know. And I couldn't find myself to get rid of that car, so I'm bringing it back to what I can and customizing it the way I want it to be. So starting off with one update around the T-tops. I'm finna try and look it up real quick and see what it's specifically called. Get these gloves off. So around the T-tops is rusted pretty bad to where the black metal parts, let me see what it's called though. Cutlass T-top, might be called T-top trim. No, not trim. Trim is the interior pieces. What is it called? Repair panels, I think is what it is. So yeah, this is it. So he had to order this as well, so this is another purchase we got for the Cutlass. As y'all can see, it's the metal pieces that go around the T-top. Mine was rusted out pretty bad, you feel me, from it sitting out in the sun and the weather and the rain and the snow without being covered up. And I wasn't at the age, you know what I'm saying, to really take care of the cars like I am now. So now that I am, once this get done, this car is gonna be well taken care of, you know what I'm saying. I ain't gonna let the snow, I ain't gonna let it get damaged from snow. I'm not gonna let no rust come back, none of that stuff, you know. So let me take a screenshot of that so I can put that in my thumbnail. So that was one thing. So that's one thing he had to order. And as y'all know, we already had the weather stripping and we had the rear floor pans. Now, what I did not know, I thought I checked thoroughly, but I couldn't remove the carpet good enough, you know what I'm saying? I thought my front floor pans was good, but they wasn't. So as y'all can see, he took the car apart and he got the carpet out. As y'all can see, it's just cut right there in the middle. That's the front floor pans. And I don't know if y'all can see the driver's side. Like I said, I didn't get a good picture because we wasn't there long, because he had to run somewhere, personal problems, you know. So he had to run somewhere, so I didn't get to get a good picture, and I regret not recording. But the driver's side is pretty bad as well. But yeah, front floor pans. So we just ordered front floor pans as well. Once they come in, he gonna finish putting the front floor pans in, but he's starting on the rear floor pans now. It ain't showing y'all that he's starting on it, but that's what the rear floor pans look like, and then the front. So all that's getting repaired. And then, as y'all know, the vinyl top trim, well, actually the T-top trim, I should say, and then the weather stripping. And he fixed my throttle cable. He said it was just because of how thick the carpet was, so that was one reason, but he's fixing that as well. So once he ordered that stuff, we looked at the shipping. It said 5 to 7 business days. Like I said, today is the 3rd, so by the 8th maybe it should be in. If not by the 8th, it should be in next week for sure though. And then he's gonna start on it or finish it. So I say about 2 weeks from now, we should be picking up the Cutlass. The Cutlass should be back in our hands, back in our possession, and we can finish doing what we need to do with it, you know. So that's really the update. So I was just telling y'all what else I had to order with it. So we had to order front floor pans now. As y'all know, I already had the rear floor pans, so I had to order the front floor pans, and we had to order the trim for the T-top. Not even, yeah, it's the trim. That's what online it said. So we had to order that and the floor pans. And as y'all know, he was supposed to fix the throttle cable. He's doing that. Oh, also, while I was there, I remembered to tell him about my rear bumper. As y'all don't know, the metal part of my rear bumper is pushed in, so it's messing up my, it's on the driver's side, so it's messing up my reverse light housing. So once he said that he's able to fix it, he said the only reason why it's like this because them old schools, they start like, the rear bumper start like pushing in. I forgot the exact terms he was using, but he said it was like pushing in. So all he got to use is some hydraulic thing, some hydraulic tool or something, and he's gonna pump it up and push that rear bumper out, so it'll be all even again with the plastic bumper part. So once he pushed that out, my reverse light housing won't be pushed in as deep as it is right now, so it's gonna be even with my brake light. So that's another thing he's gonna be fixing as well. So he's gonna be doing that. And like I said, he told me he's gonna start on all this, and when everything else comes in, he's gonna go ahead and finish it up. So it should be like a 2 to 2.5, 3 week turnaround. So I'm hoping by the end of January I should have my car back, if not by the beginning of February, you know what I'm saying, so I can start getting to work on doing everything else that I need to do. But like I said, I'm not rushing nobody because I want the car to come out perfect. I don't want it to be half done or any of that, you know what I'm saying. So I'm being patient, as y'all can see, as y'all can tell. I've been being patient. So once that stuff get done, you know what I'm saying, then we'll have the car back. I'm trying to think, is there anything else he was gonna be doing? Oh, so a part of the T-top trim is it's a couple, like a part of the actual body frame of the car. It's a couple parts that's rusted out bad. He told me he's finna start cutting it out, and he's gonna just put metal plates in, or like just metal pieces in, and he gonna weld that into the frame of the car, so it'll be kind of like new, you know. So he gonna put metal there. And also he told me that he found a parts Cutlass, and he asked me if I wanted the seats from it, because my seats, the frame part of the seats, are rusted pretty bad as well. So he asked me if I wanted the seats. He gonna try and see how much the dude's gonna charge to part out the seats, and I'm gonna try and get the seats of that car as well. So that'll be something else we'll have. So if I want to change out my seats, I have, you know what I'm saying, a backup set of seats if I want to, and get those put in and get those customized, you know what I'm saying. So that's something else I'm gonna be looking at, that he told me he's gonna talk to me about. What is this? Metal from when I was cutting on the car. So yeah, that's something else too. He told me he's gonna look at them to see if the dude gonna want to part out the car still and try to give me the seats so I can put them in there as well. So yeah, the car's coming along. I just wanted to get y'all an update because I know I haven't really known an update on the car myself. But he pulled it in. I think he said yesterday, last night, he pulled the car in. So January 2nd, that night of January 2nd, I think he pulled the car in and getting to work. Already pulled the carpet out, and like I said, I showed y'all the picture of the rust. So this was the main update. It was me finding out I had to get front floor pans as well. So yeah, it's an L, but at the end of the day, it needs to get done. So I'm happy that it's getting done now. So yeah, update on the Cutlass. I hope y'all ready. There's a lot to come. I'm gonna keep giving y'all updates once I keep learning updates, and if I'm able to go back, you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna try and get a video clip But if not, then we're just gonna rock out with how this is right now. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. Alright y'all, so like I said, quick little update on the Cutlass. It's getting worked on as we speak, you know. So had to order more floor pans, front floor pans, and then I had to order the trim for the T-top. So other than that, the car's being worked on now. He's putting metal pieces in spots that you can't really order, you know, or yeah, that's basically what I meant. And he's using some hydraulic thing to push out the rear bumper, fixing the throttle cable and the floor pans. So I think that was all. Oh, and my weather stripping, he's already started putting the weather stripping in. So yeah, like I said, update on the car. I'm ready to have my car back so I can start working on it. But like I said, I'm not rushing nobody, and I'm patient, you know what I'm saying. I'm happy that it's getting worked on now. But it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Road to 3K on YouTube, road to 2,000 followers on Instagram. So make sure y'all follow my Instagram at 01Deuce, 01Deuce. So follow my Instagram as well. I've been following everybody back, you feel me, as much as I can, but I don't be on Instagram a lot. But my thing is, I'm trying to start being on there a little bit more, like posting pictures and stuff, you know. So make sure y'all follow my Instagram too. So yeah, but like I said, quick little update on the Cutlass. Nothing too serious, even though a lot more money has been spent. He's ordered the stuff, and like I said, y'all should be in within 5 to 7 business days, so about a week. So once they come in, he gonna finish up welding, putting everything in. He gonna coat it with the black paint that you're supposed to use for the coating. He gonna coat the stuff coat the floor pans, all the metal pieces for the car, and then we're gonna go pick the car up, have the car back, taking delivery of our car back. So yeah, I hope y'all ready for this journey. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick little long journey. Don't know why I said quick. It's gonna be a long journey. It's a lot we still got to do with the car, but the main stuff is getting done, you know what I'm saying. Stuff that I can't do is getting done. So yep, I'm ready to have it back, and I'm excited. Hope y'all excited too. It's gonna be a lot we gotta do, but like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Quick little update on the car, and yeah, once we get the car back, or once I get more updates, I'm gonna come back to y'all again. But like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.